For these plants I use homemade compost. Let's make this. These are the kitchen waste. I have made small pieces. All the fruits and vegetable scraps are here, and we have to take a pot. Make sure that there is a drainage hole at the bottom side, and put it like this. Then we need normal soil to cover all these. First of all, add some soil. These vegetable scraps have good amount of micronutrients which will add the richness in the soil, so that the soil will become very fertile. Like this, we have to cover it with the soil. And then again second layer. Actually if we make small pieces, then it's well and good. Just fill it till the top and cover it with another pot which has a drainage hole. And then what we can do is we can just upload this hole in the another pot, so that the whole thing will get good stirring process, so then the decomposition will be faster. And one more thing, we have to add buttermilk in this and jaggery water, then the process will be faster. Within 1 month the compost will be ready.